Good morning, everyone. And today it's third round of public speaking. Myself, Bhumika Jitendra Pawar, and I am the student of ND Patil Sir Sheetal Academy, and I got such a I got the topic which is too proud for me, and that topic is about the greatest king, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. So, friends, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. This is the story before 391 years ago. Uh, in this our India, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj born on 19th Feb in 1630, and this was the biggest day for us. Means I consider and I am proud that he born in our country. You know that not only here but in that British countries, in the Western countries also the people are worshipping to Shivaji Maharaj. And again Shivaji Maharaj made a dream when he was too small. At that time only he made a dream to become means to make a whole Swarajya. So and also the people considered him as Janta Raja. He is also said to be Janta Raja, and at everywhere we can see on 19th Feb the rallies there, everything we can see in there. And also now his mother taught him all the things. So and also Shivaji Maharaj, when he was of 15 years old, that Mughals came here, and you can know that also the conquered of Purandar Fort. At that time, Aurangzeb was the king of the Mughals, and when Aurangzeb attacked, means they were firing on the villages and all, burning all the villages, houses. But Shivaji Maharaj made a dream to made all things, means to make another Swarajya. So at that time Shivaji Maharaj attacked on that Mughals and conquered our fort Purandar. Now I would like to tell you before means this in last month I went there to see that Pratapgarh and all Sindhudurg fort. So they are such a great, means we have to walk too much to go up at that. And also in Raigad, why Shivaji Maharaj conquered the fort Raigad? Because from the top of the Raigad he can see whole the world. He can, means not world, he can see all over that all the area he can see from that top of the Raigad. So he conquered that fort to see like this, means if he is standing at the top, so he can see that if any enemy is attacking on that or not. And he was too much intelligent that when the elephant means he took the elephant on the top when that elephant was small, and he took it at the top. So at that time in the top they can make the. And now also for the women he was also respecting the Mohammedan women also, means he was not doing any casteism in his that darbar and all. So and he conquered nearby 300 forts, and in his Swarajya there were no partiality in any casteism. And I am proud to live in such a great country where Shivaji Maharaj was born. And after that, at the end, the heartless day came when he died on 3rd April 1680. So he was, means today we are here, we are in this Swarajya only because of him. Thank you.